You're not going to need rose-colored glasses to love this tutorial. To all my Bowdabra fans, friends, and family, since love is in the air, I'm going to teach you how to bring it to your table. Okay, I've already gone ahead and cut my Bowdabra wire and folded it in half. You're going to slip it through the Bowdabra tool, fold it under, and tuck it out of the way. Then the first material you're going to use is the 6-pack plastic rings. You're going to take it and feed it through, push it down, and take the second, feed it through, and push it down. Then you're going to take the silk flower and through the head of the stem, place it into the Bowdabra. Then very simply, take a long piece of ribbon and leave the tail long. Twist and loop. Twist again and loop. Twist and loop. Twist and loop. Twist and loop. And one more. Twist and loop. Leave this tail long as well and cut it in an angle. Then you're going to turn it, take the slip knot, feed the two ends through, push it down, all the material down in place, and pull it tight. Take it out of the Bowdabra tool, split the two ends, fold it over, tie a knot, tie a knot again to secure it, straighten out the wires, and then just loop it around your finger and play with it. Then you're just going to play with the loops. And that's it. And this is what it will look like in a silk floral table arrangement. I hope you really love this tutorial, and I'll see you next time.